Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to today's lessons with Teacher Ethel on phonics. And of course, today we shall be looking at consonant vowel combination. Again, consonant vowel combination. And this time around, remember during our last class, we treated the vowel sound I and O. And today, we shall be going to the vowel sound Again, Now, the letter U has three different sounds. That's why I call it a complex letter. Again, letter U is a complex letter because it has three different sounds. We have cases where the letter U sounds U. Again, the letter U sounds U, as in pull, as in puts, as in bull, and as in full. Then we have other areas where the letter U has the sound, as in urgent. Again, urgent, urge, uncle. Again, urgent, urge, and uncle. And of course, we have the third sound of letter U, where letter U sounds U as in itself. In letters, in words like units, letter U as in units. Unicorn, uniform, universe, university. Like I said, letter U is a complex sound because it has so many dimensions. It has cases where it sounds U, it has cases where it sounds and it has cases where it sounds U. And now we also have cases where it is a silent letter. So, not to get our lessons for today complicated for our learners, we are going to move on to consonant vowel combination using the letter U, where it sounds U, as in pull, put, bull, and full. Join me, let's go. Now, the first consonant is the sound B. Again, the sound B added to the vowel sound U. It's going to give us B. Again, we take the consonant B added to the vowel U. It's going to give us B. Again, B. The next consonant, we have K. Again, K added to the vowel U is going to give us Ku. The next consonant, we have D. Again, D added to the vowel U is going to give us Do. Again, Do. Follow on, we have the consonant F. Again, F added to the vowel U is going to give us Fu. Again, Fu. Again, Fu. Moving on, we have the consonant G. Again, G added to the vowel U is going to give us Gu. Again, Gu. The next one, we have the consonant again added to the vowel U is going to give us Hu. Again, Hu. Moving on, we have the consonant Ch. Again, Ch added to the vowel U is going to give us Ju. Again, Ju. Next, we have the consonant K. Again, K added to the vowel U is going to give us Ku. And on. Next, we have the consonant L. Again, L added to the vowel U is going to give us Lu again, lu. Moving on, we have again, again, added to the vowel. U is going to give us mu again, mu. Next, we have the consonant again, added to the vowel. U is going to give us nu again, nu. Next, we have the consonant p again, added to the vowel U is going to give us pu. Again, we have r again, r added to the vowel U is going to give us ru again, ru. Moving on, we have the consonant s. Yes, again, s. Added to the vowel U is going to give us su again, su. Next, we have the consonant s. Again, s. Added to the vowel U is going to give us tu. Again, tu. Now we have v. Again, v. Added to the vowel U is going to give us vu. Now, you can see together we have combined different consonants alongside the first sound of letter U, which is U, to build two-letter readable words. So now, together, we are going to read these two-letter words put together. Let's go. B, U, bu, K, U, ku, D, U, du, F, U, fu, G, U, gu, U, hu, J, U, ju, K, U, ku, L, U, lu, M, U, mu, N, U, nu, P, U, pu, R, U, ru, S, U, su, T, U, t, V, U, vu. And let's take the ends together. Let's go. Bu, ku, du, fu, gu, hu, ju, ku, lu, mu, nu, pu, ru, su, tu, and vu. Thank you very much for being part of this complex letter U and its three different sounds today. And in our subsequent lessons, we are going to elaborate on the different three sounds of letter U, because it is often said slowly but surely. So during our next class, we are going to take and treat the letter U sound where it sounds again, as in urgent, urge, and uncle. Thank you very much. If you did pick something from today's lessons, remember I'm teacher Ethel, and don't forget to smile, like, share, and comment. See you in our next class, and I remain your one-on-one phonics teacher, and I'm here to give you the maximum burst and nothing but the best. Mwah. See you. Ciao, ciao.